In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Headball 2 mod menu on your phone, no jailbreak, which gives you unlimited resources and everything like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you need to do is go to this website called Hex Mods, which has tons of mods. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Headballs 2. So as you can see, guys, it says Headball 2, so press on that. Press the download button and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, this shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try it out because it's super insane. So if we go to the search bar and type in Headballs 2, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I don't encourage you guys to spend any money on this. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So I'm just going to do Headball 2. And as you can see, guys, here's the game, and then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go ahead and try this method out. It's super crazy. This is a fully updated version as well, guys, with a crazy Headball 2 mod menu, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane, and it is a fully working version, guys. So yeah, you can enable all settings and win the game at all times. So yes, it's super cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's actually updated and everything like that. So the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and go to the Hex Mods website. Alright, so let me just type that in right here. So yeah, this is the best website for those of you that feel inclined to have mods. Because it actually works, and you just go to the search bar and type in Headball and it comes up. So be sure to try this out for yourself. See you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this super cool fully working method. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.